kami every year. It's not just an award, it's parang grade namin yan sa sarili namin na merong third party people judging us. So we don't mind people judging us as long as nasa tama kami. Yung nakikita po nating panalo, actually konti lang yan. Pag nagsasali kami, sobrang dami. So mas marami pa rin namang talo. So kaya lang, siyempre ang sineselebrate natin yung panalo natin. Okay. So dahil dito, ito na yung una namin ilo-launch. Okay, kasi nagiging uso. Ako ganito po, advice ko rin sa inyo. Kasi ang mga vlogs natin, yung mga sinusulat natin, may experiences natin, at saka mga brand, medyo heavy tayo sa brand. Ang nagiging trend ko ngayon na you can actually do thought leadership content. Meaning, find a topic na you are very passionate about. O kung siya kayo yung passionate about, pero yung sa tingin yung itatap ko yung brand. Then, you talk about it all the time. Again, consistency. So, ganoon din kami sa preachal. So, ngayon, syempre, dalawang beses na appear ako dyan. So, ito po yung mga thought leadership sections namin na mag-a-appear. Syempre, hindi na namin ito i-mirror sa inyo, dun sa mga websites namin. So, meron kaming brand review, ito naman, future ready para sa mga CSR programs. Sa akin naman, kung nababasa yung article about leadership, etc. Powerman, more politics. Siyempre, nandiyan si Chef Tatum. Anything related to lifestyle, food, hotel, etc. Meron kaming mga invited from other countries. Yung ALTA. Tapos yung si Alan Prima naman, anything about, may-ari siya ng exhibit, art exhibit. So she will talk about different things about the art. Also running a business ng art. Kasi I think last year meron tayong campaign na artscape ata. But ang ginagawa natin is we're promoting mga local artists. Kasi yung palang problem niya, if I may share, ang na-discover namin. Kasi medyo nagkaroon ng issue dati na lumabas. So huwag nyo lang i-chika. Di ba si Hart, parang hindi naman siya well-trained to make paintings. Pero kapag siya ang naglabas ng painting, sobrang patok. Versus yung mga artists na talagang legit artists na talagang nag-aral, na talagang they practice all the time. They don't get to sell premium artwork talaga. Well, the problem is, kulang sila sa PR. Kaya nga very powerful ang industry yan, kilalalagyan natin. That's why we created that campaign last year. Call it Artscape Ating title. Wherein, we go to a Facebook group ng artists, titingnan namin yung mga up and coming, then we promote them. Para ma-push yung name nila. Kasi sa mga merong painting dito sa bahay, kaya tumataas po yung presyo ng artwork. Kasi it's not only because of the design, because may story yung behind. Paano ginawa yung painting, sino yung mga tao, like sila Picasso. Yung Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa was not a known painting in the past. Paano siya nakilala? Nanakaw lang siya sa isang museum. Parang nalaman lang several days after na nawawala pala siya. And from there, pumasok ang PR. Nagkaroon ng news, etc. Then, fast forward, one of the most recognized, most expensive artwork na. So talagang PR ang kulang sa kanila. That's why we created. That's why I invited Abby, Felix, Alan Prima to talk about art, to push arts, lalo na sa Pilipinas. Kasi may mga magagaling naman talaga. Okay? So that's our first offering. So after every offering, papasok naman si Sir Dan, tuturuan naman kayo ng cocktails. Okay? So ganun magiging format natin. Cocktails, launch, cocktails, launch. Okay? Sir Dan, okay na.